Hello, everyone. Today I will tell you how to use an AI optimizer, which you can use to optimize an arbitrage strategy using AI. Before I begin, I will tell you why AI optimization is a more effective way to optimize your arbitrage strategy. This is because AI neural networks can find non-obvious connections between parameters and results. So, for example, if your broker is using some plugins that are used to change slippage when your lot is increased to 1, then you cannot tell this manually without spending a lot of time and effort and to conduct many experiments to be certain of this. And there are many other examples where it's even more complicated, where the parameters are tied to the results, and this is very hard to determine manually. And AI can find these ties very quickly, and it's a very useful tool as it uses neural networks that can find these ties and give you better parameters. And this is also because arbitrage strategies are very difficult to optimize using historical data. Therefore, AI is more effective. Now, moving on to the program. If you subscribed to the AI optimization, then you will see an AI optimizer in the menu. And when I click it, it will open. So I go here, and it will open. Also, I have to note that you have the ability to go to settings and select any windows, including AI optimization, to open in a new window. Then when you restart your program, the AI optimizer will open automatically and won't show itself in the menu. So once you reload the app, the AI optimizer will open automatically in a new window. So if you subscribed and you don't see it in this menu, first check that it is not open in a new window before bringing your concerns to us. I open AI optimization and we'll have different combinations. I already added 3 for the demo, but I'll show you how to add your own. So click Add Combination, and you'll see a window open up. And in this window, you'll select a strategy. So then a session as well, which you want to optimize. For example, if you're optimizing lock arbitrage, you'll have 2 sessions. And if they're different brokers, you'll need to optimize both brokers. However, if it's the same broker, you optimize just one. You also select the symbol that you need to optimize. Another important parameter is the broker tag. If you enter the server name exactly as it is called on the broker, you will participate in collective optimization. This is very, very useful. Collective optimization means that all the people who are optimizing the same session on the same broker on the same symbol, the AI optimization will become cheaper. Since to optimize one symbol on one server and on one broker, you'll need to complete 100 orders, and this will be split amongst other members that match your broker tag. You'll also share data with others and make the optimization more efficient. You don't need to use collective optimization, but you should, because you can put any name that is not the server name here, and this will not participate in collective optimization. You should use it because you need to understand that you're not showing other users your broker, and your broker is only known by the person who's already using the same broker on the same server and the same symbol. So this is only beneficial to you. The pool is totally anonymous, and for those who don't know that your broker is good for trading this symbol, they won't find out because of the broker tag. So basically, if you don't want to participate, you can put in any name that you can recognize. You can define it as something that is an identifier, and it will not participate in collective optimization. So once again, you enter the strategy, session, symbol, and broker tag if you want to participate in collective optimization. So we click OK. And once we enter, we see this line for optimization. You need this percentage to become 100 and turn green, and the optimization will be completed, and you can view the results. In my case, I need to wait until I complete 100 orders as I entered a random broker tag and will not be participating in collective optimizations. But otherwise, it would turn green faster with less orders, as more orders will be shared amongst you and others. So we really recommend you to work in a pool. So to see the results of the optimization, you'll need to click the button right here, and you can see the optimized parameters. So you see the parameters and their values, and now you can enter these values. And if you click apply, they'll be applied to the session that you have selected in the optimization screen. But also you need to know that you should check over this before you click apply, and you need to check over the parameters as the lot size changes, and you need to see if you want to trade using this lot. And this is because the lot size does have an impact on how the plugin on the broker side works. So please double check this before applying your changes. As you have many parameters for optimization that you can see here, you can also vote if these parameters are good for this symbol. And in this case, the parameters will be rated, where the highest liked parameters will show at the top and the least liked will show in the bottom. And this will help if many people are working together to see the best parameters amongst themselves. And this is, once again, it's totally anonymous other than to people who already know about this broker and server and symbol. You can rank these parameters amongst yourself and optimize your optimization. You can also delete your optimization by clicking on the garbage can button, and this will revert you back to optimization settings. So you can delete it here, and you can also go back to the optimization settings. Thanks so much. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos, and you'll help us create good, meaningful content for you. Thank you so much.